Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about Python programming language, in which I will tell you what is Python and history of Python. So, what is Python? Python is high-level general-purpose interpreter programming language. High-level means it is closer to human, just like we are reading English language. General-purpose means it uses everywhere. An interpreter programming language means your code run line by line instead of executing the whole program at once. It is dynamically typed means you don't have to define data type and support multiple programming paradigms like structure, object-oriented, and functional programming. And due to its comprehensive standard library, Python is often described as a batteries included language. Python supports different modules and packages which allows program modularity and code reuse. Ideally, it is designed for rapid prototyping of complex applications. Python has interfaces with the various operating system calls and libraries, which are extensible to C, C++, or Java. Many large companies like Amazon, Facebook, IBM, NASA, Google, YouTube, BitTorrent, Netflix, etc. uses the Python programming language for the execution of their valuable project. Python programming is widely used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural network, and many other advanced fields of computer science. And about history of Python programming language, Python was developed by Guido van Rossum and its implementation started in December 1989. Python 1.0 was released in year 1994. Python 2.0 was released in October 2000 and Python 3 was released in December 2008. So that's all about Python and history of Python. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest update. Thank you.